Okay. So what's up everybody? Today it's gonna be like a different kind of video. Yeah, so we're about to try this KFC donut chicken sandwich. I'm about to be on the way to go get it or whatever. Yeah, I literally was not doing anything today. I was just chilling around the house and I just decided to do this video real quick. So yeah, hope you guys like my makeup, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, we're about to go get this donut chicken sandwich. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared to try it, but yeah, we're about to go get that right now, so let's go. Can I get one of your chicken donut sandwich?
You want the sandwich by itself or do you want it in a combo?
What comes with the combo?
Potato wedges and a drink.
Yeah, I do the combo.
What flavor drink?
Can I just get water, please?
Yes, ma'am.
And that'll be all.
It'll be 906.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. Speaking, while we're, you know, face to face, I'm just gonna vent for a little second while they taking their time because they are really slow right now. So my classes want to be canceled, not canceled, but we gotta start doing online classes, which is, when you think about it, it's just like, yeah, like cool or whatever, but I never really had an online class. Like, I always do my classes. Can y'all hear me? There you go. I always do my classes like in class. Like, I never did an online class. So I'm kind of, it just feels like a lot of fucking work. Excuse my language, but it just seems like a lot of work right now. And I just honestly just feel like they should just give us an A at this point. Like, you know, the coronavirus is everywhere. We in quarantine right now. And it's just like, just give us an A, okay? Let's just say forget it and just give us an A, because baby, I can't. I already be nervous about going to school because you don't know how these people be living their lives, especially when I'm at work. Oh my God, I be so extra. I be putting on gloves. I be washing my hands all the time. Excuse my language, but all the time I be washing my hands, sanitizing. Even though I do that anyway, but it's just like, you do not know how people, especially Hooters, like, oh, if y'all want to see like the truth about Hooters, just let me know and I can do a video on that, like, because it is some tea. It is some tea. But they is taking forever. Like, I'm gonna be honest, I really don't even eat KFC like that. Like, for real. I mean, just look at this man. Here you going. Hey, how you doing? Like, I wonder if this is how he looks like for real. You think so? I don't know. Ooh, they moving on up to the east side. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get the food. When I get the food. You too. About to pull up right here real quick. She kept looking at me, but I didn't give a fuck. But we about to pull up right here. All right, I'm excited. Okay, I'm excited and nervous at the same time. All right. Ooh, I got some potato wedges. Wait, before I do anything, let me sanitize my hands and say grace. Oh, it's a birdie. God is grace, God is good. Let us thank Him for it. Full of our hearts and prayer being Lord ever. Amen. Some potato wedges. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Okay. Alright. So. Oh my god. Okay. So. I can show you. This is how it looks. Can you see me? I'm nervous. It's so messy. And she was literally staring at me. And I know people around here don't like really do videos. Like I live not in a small town, but I live in I guess like a small city. And you don't see, I don't even know where to start, I'm not gonna honest. Ooh. Okay. I got a fork. Sorry. I'm all over the place, but it's so like big. Like it's just so okay. You don't want to cut it. I don't have time for it. See it? Okay, here I go. Oh. It's not bad. The donut is so good though. It's not bad. It's actually pretty damn good. Pretty darn good. Mmm. Mmm. I'm thirsty. It is so cloudy out here today. The donut is so good though. Whoa. Mmm. Do anybody else dance when they eat? I do. I just love food. Come on. Potato wedges. Look. So good. Some ketchup on it. If it's noisy in the background, I'm sorry. Thank God there's no planes right now. I need to go into Target. I don't feel like it. You guys, potato wedges are so good. Oh my God. I love like homemade potato wedges. They're so good. Like, some people don't like potato wedges. And I just be like, how you do not like potato wedges? Like, they're so good. Honestly, they're like my favorite fries. We even call a potato wedge a fry. It's a potato wedge. But it's made out of potatoes. But French fries are made out of potatoes. So it's tater tots. But tater tots are not fries, they're tater tots. Tater tots, they're okay. They're not better than French fries or potato wedges, but no. They're okay. I will eat them. I'll say my least fries are, I really don't care too much about curly fries. Like, they're good. Like, at Hooters we sell them, but I don't really like care, you know, about them. I also sell steak fries and I like them way better. Like, they're just better in general. But oh my God, I'm getting so full. Jeez. Am I done? Oh my God, that was so good. I'm so full. I didn't go to the gym this morning, so I'm going later on today. And I'm about to get it in because I know that is like 2,000 calories by itself. Alright guys, that's the end to this video. I'm getting kind of full, but I really like that. I really like that sandwich. So if you haven't tried it, make sure you try it. It's different. I honestly wouldn't eat it like all the time. It's not something that I would eat all the time, but it's pretty good. The donut is really good. I know they sell like the donuts by itself, so I'll honestly just go get that because the donuts are really good and I like donuts. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye. And we're out. Donut is so good. Like, I can eat the donut by itself. Alright. Peace.